How to make collaborative playlist on a Spotify application. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In order to start or make a collaborative playlist, first of all make sure you have updated your Spotify app. Once that is done, launch the Spotify application and log in into your account. After that is done, go to a song in your liked songs or any other part of the app, or you could directly visit your library section. And once that is done, tap on the plus icon which is on the top right corner. Tap on playlist and give your playlist a name. You can name it as collaborative playlist or any other of your choice. After that, tap on create to finalize the playlist. Second thing is to go and add up songs on your playlist. In order to do so, you can select all the recommended songs of your choices or use the search bar to search for different songs. Initially, you can also add different songs which is available and suggested or recommended by the app. Now that this is done, you have created a playlist with different songs in it. Select on your playlist, and once that is done, you will see a friend like icon with a plus icon on the top. Tap on it. This is to enable collaboration. This way, the icon will open the collaboration settings. You can use it to change the different settings along with its appearance, color, or platform options. Then, after you can copy the link or send it directly through messaging apps, social media platforms, or stories. Anyone with the invite link can add, remove, or reorder songs in the playlist, and you can share the playlist across multiple platforms for easy collaboration. So that's all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.